Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Joanna Maridiqueros from Pandi, Bulacan, Philippines. I'm 38 years old. I'm happily married, blessed with three children, ages 21, 20, and 11 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I've worked as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 13 years for one employer. They have 5 family members, including 7 months old baby, 13 and 11 years old children. My main duties are taking care of kids, preparing meals, cooking, ironing, laundry, going to market, clean the house, wash the dishes, and taking care of pets. I also have a lot of experience of taking care of newborn baby, toddler, and children. I like to work in Hong Kong for my family's future, saving money, and build my own house. Please hire me because I am hardworking, trustworthy, and loyal woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I'm looking forward to see you soon as possible. Thank you.